Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview 12-foot by 30-inch swimming pool with filter pump. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool and fits up 4 to 8 people. This pool the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. Extra strong sidewalls are made with 3 separate layers of material. The inner layer of polyester mesh is laminated to the 2 outer heavy-gauge PVC layers. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits. No tools are required to install. A durable, yet lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. The pool set frames are applied with a corrosion-resistant coating to protect the pool from UV and abrasion damage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.